Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're here, that means you came back. Today, we are gonna do a Loops beauty review. When I say Loops, I'm talking about this bad boy right here. Can you see it? Can you get into it? I think you can. Loops Beauty is a company that specializes in masks. And it's not just about the mask, it's about the moment, self-care, but it's a loop. Y'all get where I'm coming from. They have 5 different masks. Sunrise Service, which is for the morning. Night Shift, for the night. You guys are with me. Double Take, which is for when you're about to go out and you want somebody to do a little, ooh, double take on you. So you use this weekly reset. Namaste. The one that I'm gonna be doing today is Clean Slate. It is for after you exercise. So I was like, maybe if I get these, then I'll actually exercise. Maybe if I run for like 25 minutes, I can treat myself to a clean slate. I don't know about anybody else, but my eyes are carrying some Prada and some Gucci. Slumber herself has gone on a sabbatical. I don't know where she is. I got the eye mask that they have, and then I got the lip mask. I've never done a lip mask before because I'm like, all I use is some Balmex and we good. We out here in these streets. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna go exercise and I'll give you guys my honest opinion. Okay guys, I'm back. I did my exercise. So the first step is to cleanse your face. I don't know why YouTubers do this, probably because of the light stuff, but I guess since I am one now, I can. So I'm gonna go wash my face. She's clean, she's tidy. This is what it looks like. It's all slimy. So I'm gonna take it out with this little slime itself. Apply the textured side. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, not you, sweetie. We weren't talking about you. Ooh, she's slick. Now to the eyes. So slimy. But that's how you know that it's juicy and good for you. Bam! Wait, I missed the spot. Oh, almost blind myself. Oh! This is definitely a loop. I smell progress. And it smells good. The mask actually does smell. Smells like it's gonna be efficient. Okay, so I'll be back in 10 minutes. Let's see. My skin is a baby's behind. I feel refreshed, like it feels cool, it feels nice. Okay. And it also had like a little tingle to it when I had it on, so that was nice. As promised, eyes and the lips. Let's see if this cures my under eye bagage. You can see that there's like a little part here for under the eyes, so I'm gonna apply that. I never know how far towards my nose to go. Am I going like too much on the nose? Too on the nose? I cracked myself up. I think I nailed this. I can barely see, but that's okay. The price of beauty. Oh, she's slipping. This ain't a slip and slide, boo. Get back into formation. I don't know if this is right, but it feels good. Now let's do the lips. So this is what this looks like. Apply over lips. Ooh, this goes over nicely. Ooh, it's tingling. My bottom lip is heavy. Okay. I feel like they look lighter, they look brighter. They ain't paying me for this, so this is my honest opinion. My lips, I really did feel a tingle and like a plumping. Like they still feel a little tingly, which feels good. My skin feels brighter. I'm just gonna slap some lotion on and keep it moving. I would recommend this. I like it. Not just the fact that they have masks, but they encourage you to take that little moment, that little loop to take care of yourself. It felt good. It felt nice. My lips are still tingling. Mwah, mwah. If you want to take a loop, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. I am Kimmy Coleman, your favorite Jamaican New Yorker. If you'd like to subscribe, you want to like this video, you should. Share it amongst your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.